Hey, what's up everybody? In this video I'm gonna explain to you guys how I made $1,200 on crypto, on trading profits today, this morning, in just one simple 5-minute trade. So the point of this video is for you guys to understand the strategy, the simple strategy that I use, so maybe you can utilize it and it could literally help you. It's so simple, you just have to stick to it. I've been literally been using this strategy for the past year, and it has literally been showing me amazing results. And this is just to prove you guys that you don't need to have such as tremendous strategy complications or a lot of indicators and stuff like that to make profits on day trading. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and break down the trade that I took today. As you guys saw, we are almost hitting all-time highs on US 30. So I noticed that we were hitting right around here, right around this area, we were hitting support. We had some liquidity, price started to push up to the upside, and then we started to kind of find support at another area, which is 47,884, which is around this area. We started to find support in this area. Price bounced back, created resistance, and then price started to accumulate at this point. And then when price shoot up at the beginning opening candle of the market, that immediately I was thinking, okay, that could be liquidity. Let me just wait a little bit before I enter the trade. So right after I saw that it was forming liquidity right around this area, I realized that the price came back to the ranging zone, which is the zone where it was just confluencing. So when I saw the price finally break support right around this area, and then it literally came back, retest a little bit, and it came all the way back to 100 points, I was able to catch that trade, and that's how I profited $1,200 from this trade. So this is very breakout simple strategy, but it's just not just breakout, because I could have entered right around here and catch these buys, or I could have just entered right around here and catch these sales, and I would have been able to catch the whole entire cleaner move. So at this point you just have to kind of understand market structure, and you have to understand where the area is actually confluent, because the price never moves like this. It moves like this, and sometimes price is just staying in a range. This is the range. This is called confluencing. Once price breaks out of either confluencing bias, either to the downside or to the upside, that's when you have to realize, okay, this price is is literally confluencing in order to shoot up, or just to go all the way down. So you just have to kind of understand that simple strategy. Is very simple, guys. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys because I thought it was very helpful and very valuable. So yeah, if you guys want to learn more about day trading, make sure that you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna be posting so much content on this. So yeah, I hope you guys like this content, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.